Welcome to Google Task Manager and Google To-Do List, your ultimate productivity companions. Whether you're managing projects, planning your day, or keeping track of your grocery list, Google's intuitive tools have got you covered. With Google Task Manager, you can create tasks, set due dates, and organize them into lists, making it easy to stay on top of your priorities. And with Google To-Do List, you can enjoy smart suggestions, collaborate with others, and even add tasks directly from Gmail. Synced across all your devices, these apps ensure that your tasks are always within reach, whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer. So why wait? Start organizing your life and boosting your productivity with Google Task Manager and Google To-Do List today. Google Task Manager, often referred to as Google Task, is a tool primarily designed for personal task management. It allows users to create to-do lists, set reminders, and organize tasks, all within the Google ecosystem. While Google Task Manager itself doesn't directly provide avenues for earning money, it can still be used in various ways that could potentially contribute to earned income. 1. Increased productivity. By efficiently managing tasks and schedules, individuals can boost their productivity. Increased productivity often leads to better performance at work, which could result in recognition, promotions, or bonuses. 2. Freelancing or consulting. Freelancers and consultants can use Google Task Manager to organize their projects, deadlines, and client communications. Meeting deadlines and delivering quality work consistently can lead to more referrals and higher-paying projects. 3. Project management. Businesses can utilize Google Task Manager for project management purposes. Teams can collaborate on tasks, track progress, and ensure projects are completed on time and within budget. Efficient project management can lead to cost savings and increased client satisfaction, which may attract more clients and revenue opportunities. 4. Time tracking and billing. Google Task Manager can be integrated with time tracking tools or used alongside them to monitor the time spent on various tasks and projects. This data can then be used for accurate billing of clients or for internal analysis to optimize workflows and resource allocation. 5. Content creation and blogging. Content creators, bloggers, and YouTubers can use Google Task Manager to plan their content calendars, brainstorm ideas, and track publishing schedules. Consistently publishing high-quality content can attract more viewers, subscribers, and opportunities for monetization through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. 6. Skill development. Individuals can use Google Task Manager to organize their learning goals, online courses, and skill development activities. Acquiring new skills or improving existing ones can enhance employability, potentially leading to higher-paying job opportunities or freelance gigs. 7. Business management. Entrepreneurs and small business owners can utilize Google Task Manager to streamline various aspects of their operations, such as inventory management, customer relationship management, or marketing campaigns. Improving efficiency and customer satisfaction can contribute to business growth and profitability. While Google Task Manager itself may not directly generate income, its effective utilization can certainly contribute to personal and professional growth, ultimately leading to various avenues for earning money.